Good morning, everybody. It is 8:09 in the morning. I've been up since 7. I also woke up at 3 this morning and could not fall back to sleep till 5. Nothing's even bothering me, so I don't know. I think I got super spooked last night. I thought I saw like Graham standing next to my bed, and you know, I'm like, Graham, go away. And then like I saw him move over by the door, and I said, I still see you standing there. And he didn't move, so I grabbed my phone and turned the flashlight on. There was nothing there, so I don't know what the heck, if it was my imagination, because sometimes I do think about that stuff in my head, so I don't know if it was my imagination or if I was really seeing something. I have no idea, but it was like a weird black shadow that I saw move. And when I see stuff like that, I get super scared, and then I don't want to open my eyes, or if I see it, then I think about it, and then I have to turn something on so I can just kind of forget about it. So I don't know. But today Graham is off of work today. He wants to go someplace downtown to go get this lunch. You should can get Hot Wheels. Yeah. So we're gonna go downtown, and he wants to get a sandwich. I don't know what we're gonna do today. Like, I would go to the zoo, but he grew up working at the zoo, you guys. It's kind of funny. His parents live super close to the zoo, and he worked there, so he does not like going to the zoo as hardly at all. But I like going to the zoo. I know. So we will see what we'll do. My favorite thing to go to the zoo and play at like the big playground. Yeah, the big playground's closed down though. Next time we go there, we gotta get some ice cream and then sit and go to carousel and then go outside and play playground. Okay. So, yeah, so he wants to go downtown and get a sandwich at this one place that's right near the Capitol. Last time I was there, I think I was pregnant. Yeah, I was pregnant with Charlotte. Mommy! And Graham had it also when Charlotte was born. So I think it's been a long time since we've had it. But since we are there, there's another CVS that's about 3 blocks away. I'm just gonna run in and run out and get my. It's closed. I'm gonna get my 2 freebies that I got. One from yesterday, and then today's like veggie chips or something. So I'm gonna go get my 2 freebies, cause why not? But yeah, I'm definitely gonna start working on some cup orders that I got today. The thing I really wanted to get does not come in the mail till tomorrow. So I told Graham I want to work on that DIY tomorrow, and I want to post that video tomorrow. So, but I don't think it will. Actually, no, I can't post it tomorrow because I have to let the glue dry. So I guess I'll post it on Monday, so, or Tuesday. But I am pretty excited for this, so. And I'm hoping to make more and more of those, because those are going to be so much fun. Plus with my jeweled cups, I am so excited. Right now I'm just trying to think of other stuff that I can make with before I put stuff on my Etsy page, but it'll be at least a couple weeks until I get back from my mother's house when I can start putting stuff up on that page, because I want to be able to get home and stuff. So right now, last night I designed like a little postcard that says a thank you note on it. So I'm thinking of ordering like a little postcard, and then I'll have like my own writing on it on the back of it. And then I was thinking of making possibly cup care cards, and then shirt care cards possibly. And then I was thinking of what's the matter? You're so pretty. You're so pretty. So that's what I'm gonna work on. Oh, you're just a freak. So that's what I want to work on to purchase, and then I gotta figure out what kind of boxes I want to ship them into. So I'm like, to do this, I gotta spend $100 possibly just to get everything started. Which, if that's what I gotta do, that's what I gotta do, because I want to make everything all perfect. So I will see you guys back in a little bit. I'm gonna shut up now. We're gonna have some family fun. So it is 3:32. I brought my camera with us, but I just didn't vlog. Graham doesn't like vlogging very much, so didn't vlog. But we went downtown to get him his sandwich. I barely could eat it, so I'll save it up later. And then we went to CVS, and I got my free chips for the day. Yes, they're upside down. And then I got yesterday's freebie because it doesn't end. And I got the triple ointment. Funny thing is, the cashier, I bought like a $1 box of animal crackers. Cashier's like $13.76 or whatever. And then she hits enter, and she's like, she looks at me, and I'm like, it's the freebie in the app. She's like, oh. She's like, well, how'd it get all the way down to $1? And I said, yeah. So I only paid $1 because I only had to buy the cookies. So there was that. That was kind of fun. And then we have a toy store around here called the Mattel Toy Store. I think there's only 5 or 6 in the United States. But we have a Warehouse of American Girl. There's actually 2 of them in this area. One of them I think is like I don't know what either one does, but they're on completely opposite sides of town. But the one I know has a lot of office areas, and then they ship stuff out and everything. But they do have toys, like it's a regular toy store that sells all of Mattel brand, like Hot Wheels, Barbie, Fisher-Price. You know, they got tons of stuff. And I've gotten some really good stuff there in the past. Like last year I got some really good deals for Charlotte that I'm gonna give her for Christmas. And they're like Princess Little People. And so they have every once in a while that you can get like 25% off regular price items. Their damaged stuff, which some stuff is barely even damaged, they mark those down 50%. So it's like I buy all that stuff at the 50% off price because, like, you know, who cares if the packaging's damaged. So over the last several years I bought a lot of stuff there. It's awesome. So Ben wanted to get a Hot Wheel car, and Graham said yes, as long as he did a bunch of stuff, and he did. And then I let Charlotte pick out something too. She was so excited. That's her first time she's ever really gotten anything. So we did that, and then we went to Costco. And then we came home, and then Graham, you know, came home, and he's like, I don't feel good. You got to put the groceries away. Which we got like maybe 3 or 4 cold things. And I just see it sitting on the bar stool, and I thought, okay, so I forgot about it because he brought it in and he just goes and sits down. He doesn't ever put it away. So this is what he does. Pisses me off, you know, when it comes to groceries he does it, but like Costco he just can't do it. I mean, we had 5 things. So I put the 2 items that I saw in the fridge. Well, we bought steaks for dinner tonight. Well, he left them out in the freaking van. Well, where's the steaks? I'm like, I didn't see them. I looked all over the van. I didn't see it, so I shut the door. And it's my fault that the stuff got left in the van. It's like, no, Graham, you're the one who was bringing all the groceries in. I was getting everything out, the kids out. I was grabbing all the things in the front seat, everything. It's just like, nope, it's my fault, my fault. So that's what I'm going through. I am currently working on a cup. Funny thing is, I got my jewel order today, and I ordered 3,600 jewels, and it actually came 1,440. So I messaged her. I says, hey, this is a smaller bag. I was supposed to get like twice as much. And I took a picture and sent it to the lady, and so she's sending me a brand new bag of 3,600 jewels, which I am so excited for, because those are the ones that I could really use anyways. So I don't know when I'll get those, but hopefully I'll get them soon before I leave on my trip. Like I said, I'm going to my mom's house on Tuesday. I am going to try to work on as much stuff as I can. I know one of you guys wanted me to make some shirts. I'll probably start cutting them, but I don't know if I'll make them. I might make them when I go to my mom's house. Just because my mom lives out in the country. There's not much stuff to do, and we really don't want to be shopping and everything. And so I just kind of want to get some stuff done. So I'm just gonna bring like a tote of all my craft stuff, and just so I can get some stuff done. I'm thinking of ordering some business cards for my Etsy shop. I was actually looking for prices and everything. It's gonna cost me about $100 to buy everything, but I'm like, you know what, I should just bite the bone and do it, because hopefully I can get my money back, you know, with all that stuff. So it's gonna take a little bit, What I charge for cups, you guys, like, you don't realize what I'm charging for cups. I'm only making like a $5 profit. I'm barely even making anything, and I'm not really including my time. Now I should. My friend's like, oh, you know, you should really include your time, but I'm not in it to, you know, make a lot of money. I'm in it just because I like to help people. But I know with Etsy there's a lot more fees involved, so I will have to up my price on that stuff, which I'm going to. But I'm pretty excited, you know, to start getting some stuff done. Hopefully I can get some sales. It's still connected to my old one, so it does say I have some sales, but, you know, I'm hoping that I can actually do this as a full-time job along with couponing. I mean, yeah, it's way too much, but the thing is, like, I only coupon pretty much like twice a week, and then I do videos at home. And with just things going on, and like this fall, you know, I have Christmas cups in my mind. I have Halloween cups that I want to do. So it's like, I'm gonna do them, you guys. I just, you know, have to get some income coming in. So I'm gonna just start making a bunch of stuff anyways, because those are the stuff that I'm gonna start selling. But I'm gonna be selling like my jeweled cups, one of the Starbucks cups that I haven't showed you guys yet, and then like my regular cups, I'm gonna start decorating some of those. I'm gonna get some pop sockets. I just gotta find some deals on pop sockets. And then some of you guys were talking about like some other things that I can jewel, which I totally will. It just is gonna take a little bit, but I'm pretty excited to kind of just start getting some stuff going. And then sooner or later I'll start working on like t-shirts and everything. Like, I still do t-shirts, but I just can't have anything like really copyrighted. So that is what's going on. So I have a really bad headache. Like, I should go lay down. Charlotte's taking a nap, but I have a feeling right when I lay down, Charlotte will wake up. Graham and Ben are hanging out in the pool. It's gonna be 92 degrees tomorrow, and with the humidity included, it's gonna be over 105. Yeah, so tomorrow's a perfect day for me just to stay home and not go anywhere. I mean, yeah, it's cool to chill in the pool, but I want to get some stuff done. I want to get some stuff started, some stuff packed up, so when we go to my mom's house we can leave right away. And I don't want to leave. And Charlotte's up, go figure. I just don't want to leave this house messy. So I will catch you guys back later when we have more productive stuff to do. Well, hey you guys, so it is 9:10 at night. I just put Charlotte to bed. Graham's getting Ben ready for bed. Graham wants to play cards when Ben goes to sleep, and then we're gonna watch Unsolved Mysteries. So we're just gonna have a nice relaxing night, and then tomorrow I plan on picking up a lot of stuff. Just want to get some stuff done, figure out some stuff. I am working on another cup, so you guys will see that when I'm finished, but I am pretty excited to see what it looks like. So yeah, that's what's going on today. I was also trying to finish this cup. I was working on that today too, but yeah, so spray painting, getting everything set up. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna take to my mom's house. I also got a huge roll of vinyl to make shirts with. I gotta cut out four things today, or I'll probably do it tomorrow because each one takes about 20 minutes to cut. So I got that, and I'm expecting my package to come in the mail tomorrow so I can get that all started and figured out. I'll show you guys like a preview of it possibly tomorrow night, but I'm pretty excited. I still gotta figure out like business cards and everything, but yeah, I want to get it started. If I don't get them in the mail by the time I leave my mom's house, hopefully they can come in the mail by the time I get back from my mom's house, so I can mail these with these cups that I'm making. But tomorrow I plan on getting pretty much half of this done, or 3/4 done. I'm gonna work on that. But I really like my little work area. It's not much, but it really helps me because I can, you know, walk away, deal with the kids, and then come right back. Walk away, deal with the kids, come right back. And, you know, it's just my little space. You know, and then I'm still organizing downstairs. I was actually downstairs for a couple minutes today, just kind of put some stuff away. I found my laptop cord, you guys. Like, I lost it maybe 2 weeks ago, and I have been searching high and low for that stupid cord. Funny thing is, I actually put it away. I put it in my desk, which was in a drawer that I never go in, so all of a sudden I'm like, oh yeah, duh, Jennifer, duh. So I found my laptop cord, so that means I can start doing videos, because I plan on going to a Dollar Tree that where my mom lives. I love this Dollar Tree. I love it. It's one of my favorite Dollar Trees, so I plan on doing a haul. I might do a Walmart Ibotta haul while we're there. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. We will figure it out. I'm probably not gonna vlog as much because there's not much exciting stuff going on. We are gonna visit my step grandma and my step aunt, and then just hang out at my mom's house, go to the Dollar Tree, and then possibly Walmart. And yeah, nothing else. We're just gonna kind of make some food. I'm pretty excited. But yeah, oh, Charlotte's starting to cry. I gotta let her cry it out. So I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna have, I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I gotta pick up. I'm gonna pick up for like 5 minutes and then post this video and then sit down and relax for the night. I might work on some of this cups, but I should just work on it tomorrow. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna work on this cup for about 5 minutes and then pick up for 5 minutes, and Grandma should be down. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is supposed to be hot as all heck outside. Probably one of the hottest days out. Grandma wants to just chill in the pool the whole time, which is fine, but I just don't like sitting in the pool, especially with the kids, because I don't want them to get burnt, even though we do put sunscreen on them. But I plan on getting some stuff done, working on my cups. I want to get a lot of cleaning done, and I'm going to have Graham put the toilet paper holder on. I bought this toilet paper holder 2 or 3 months ago in our bathroom, and it still hasn't been done. So that's the #1 thing that's getting done tomorrow. So I will see you guys all bright and early tomorrow. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.